विसावा उपरांत तुमचे स्वागत. पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. पंचायतीचो सगळो कारभार केंद्र सरकाराच्या येवजण्यांचेर चलता. सद्याक राज्यांत आमदार मंत्र्याचो पगार वाडपाचो आसा, तेन्ना पंचायत पावण्यारय पगार वाडचो म्हण मागणी पंचवाडी पंचायत वांगड्यांची आसा. आरडेक्स गो खातीर पंचवाडीच्यान महेंद्र गांवकर.
The cost of living has gone up considerably, and on these grounds, whatever the point members are getting, it is negligible. See, we are also having a lot of work to do. As far as meetings are concerned, many times we have to attend government meetings, then our panchayat meetings, and as a grassroots level, we have to go each and every house as regards these schemes. So we are also having a lot of difficulties, lot of problems, and what we are getting is negligible, and I feel it is very less, especially our trips are concerned. For petrol consumption, we are getting a lot of difficulties. So I would request on behalf of all Panchayat members all over Goa, our Panchayat Minister, as well as our CM Manohar Bhai Parrikar, to consider our case on humanitarian grounds, and I hope on humanitarian grounds he will do the needful.
एक पाटी 2006 जेन्ना पयलीं सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर मणिशंकर आसलो आनी गोंया पंचायत मिनिस्टर सुभाष शेट्टी तेन्ना एक MOU सायन केल्लो स्टेटमेंट ऑफ कन्क्लुजन. तेन्ना जायते अधिकार दिल्ले आसले पंचायताक, ते आयज ताका मेळ्ळो न्हय, ते झगडपाक दुसरो एक DPC मेळून करताले, डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्लॅनिंग कमिटी, आर्टिकल 243Z ती गव्हर्मेंटान नॉमिनेट केल्या, पूण हेदो ते कांय फंक्शन जायना तेजें. मागीर स्टेट फायनान्स कमिशन काडपाक जाय 5 वर्सांनी, ते काडलो आहा थर्ड फायनान्स कमिशन, पूण तेजें कांय केलें ना तेणें.
इन पंचायत मेंबर्स ऑनरियम तें जर जालें जाल्यार ताजो पंचाक एक सर्वसाधारण 1,500 रुपया हायक मेळटलो आनी सरपंचाक सर्वसाधारण 2,250 रुपया. So it is all negligible. So I feel government should look into it and see that that amount comes to somewhere around 25,000 for the sarpanch, 15,000 for the deputy sarpanch, and 10,000 for the panch.